By the way, thank you Gozinal ma'am and Prashita ma'am for your such efforts.
Absolutely, Akshita. But do you know something? God created everything and He made we humans the crown of all His other creations. But have you ever thought that what we have been doing all these days?
Yeah, you are right, Atharva. Instead of protecting his creation, we humans only spoiled it.
He loved us unconditionally than any of His other creations. In return, we greedy humans tried to be another God.
For that, day and night, we created many other creations. Even we tried to produce rain scientifically.
But by creating all these things, don't you think the uniqueness or the difference which we had than animals is lost?
Yeah, brain complexity, problem solving, and even we lost to understand what is right and wrong.
And it's because of our most dominating creation.
And that's Internet. So ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the heart-stealing performance and net break.
Written and directed by our beloved Catherine ma'am from English department of our school.
Are addicted to social media. At the earlier stage, they enjoy it. But a stage comes when they get so much addicted that they forget everything and mostly ends up reaching a stage of depression. Today, we the students of Mount Carmel English School, Washington, presenting such a story in front of you all about excessive use of internet. So everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the net break.
But I finished it before.
Then go for playing beer.
No mom, I will go after 10 minutes. Let me help you.
Oh, this girl. Okay, fine. Hold it and help me cleaning it.
Where is my daughter Dora? Dora?
Oh dad, you reached. Can I bring some water for you?
No, I have a wonderful surprise for you.
Wow dad, what is that?
Can you guess?
Oh please dad, I hope you didn't bring any educational toy like mom. I'm grown up dad.
What it is? I'm sure that you will like it.
Wow dad, it's a mobile. Thank you so much. You are the best dad in this world. Thank you so much.
आसमां नीचे आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे ओ खुदा अब मैं क्या करूं सर के बल या कदम से चलो
studies.
Cool, honey. You are still in that olden age. Wake up. It's 2025.
But she is...
No. Nowadays, everybody have mobile phones. She will use it wisely, I am sure.
Dora feels so excited. She did all the settings herself. She has uploaded many softwares to become more social.
Ha 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 ha. Well guys, thank you for signing in. I am appreciated.
Oh, welcome reply to you, fake book.
It is Facebook, not Facebook. Well, invite you all to this chat room to give a visual treat that you will never ever forget.
We all are here masters.
Supreme Masters of Virtual World.
Supreme Commanders.
The King of Social Networking.
Mark these words, my companions. One day, the virtual world will vanish everything. Now, just sign out.
Now, we are at Dora's house. A social media addicted Dora is very good natured and friendly. She is also a good dancer and she represented her school many times. But these days, her behavior is changing. All the time, she is busy at Instagram or Facebook. She seems more tense these days. Because of her such behavior, her parents are also tensed. Let's see what happened next.
Game start. Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat.
I hope this time also you will represent our school at the dance competition.
Of course, sir, if God permits.
But I'm not sure. You know, sir, chatting, just wasting her time.
I'm not wasting my time, my dear mom. I am just opening windows to the new world.
Windows to new world. Be careful. If this manner you're going, then these windows will become huge wall for you.
Don't say anything to her. She will manage. She is my daughter.
That's my dad. My online buddy must be waiting for me.
Again chatting? One day it will ruin my girl. Wait.
Suddenly, Dora comes to know that someone has hacked her FB ID and is posting her images without her permission.
What? I have not posted my this pics. Oh my God, my life, my dream, everything shattered. Who is this person out there, God? Hey God, please help me.
Then the natives of virtual world comes. All virtual natives forming circle around Dora
Don't swear by the name of God, girl. Wherever I am, God can never be.
Who are you?
Who we are is not important. Important is that you have become a victim. The latest one.
Dora cried out in fear, and her mom comes. As soon as her mom comes, natives of virtual world disappears.
Mom, no. Please go away from here. Go away.
What happened? What's the matter?
Nothing, Mom. It's just a spider.
You really scared me. So go to sleep now.
Dora's grandparents are talking about Dora's changed behavior.
Don't you think Dora is using Facebook and WhatsApp too much nowadays?
Well, you are correct. I don't know what is the fun in just tapping mosquitoes over mobile screen. She should spend some time in real world too.
She should play some games with friends.
Games were played in our time, like hide and seek, skipping, rings, etc.
Dora, come here. Spend some time with us also. You should play some games, dear. Every time, don't sit with this mobile.
What you both were used to do when mobiles were not there?
We used to have a very nice time with our siblings, friends and neighbors. Nowadays children are not having time for anything. Either they are busy with their studies or with their mobiles.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे। हो छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे। चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी। थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी। चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी। थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी।
आसमां को छू कर देखा तारों की करती सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी। आसमां को छू कर देखा तारों की करती सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी।
सपनों का वो आंगन कहाँ, दर्पण बता बचपन कहाँ। सब
next day, when Dora goes to school, she seems very inactive. Her concentration is not at her studies, but somewhere else. Seeing this, her teacher calls her.
What has happened to you, Dora? Why do you seem so tense?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, then just tell me what I was teaching.
I don't know.
What? Why? Why you don't know? Dora, these days you are not at all concentrating towards your studies. Your grades are going down day by day, and if this continues to happen, then you will not be able to pass the exams. I hope you will understand what I said. Okay? Sit.
Teacher, these days she is busy at Facebook and Twitter all time.
Yes, teacher, she is online all the time and someone have hacked her ID too.
Please stop it.
What? What am I listening, Dora? Didn't you inform it to your parents?
Yes, ma'am. They are working on it.
No more comments. Pen your books.
What? Open Facebook?
Ma'am, I think Dora should go home. Yes, you are right. Dora, you can go call your parents. But when they come to pick you, make sure that they meet me.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। आजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं, आजा करे फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं, मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं। ओ जाते नहीं कहीं रिश्ते पुराने किसी नए के आ जाने से, जाता हूँ मैं तो मुझे तू जाने दे, क्यों परेशान है मेरे जाने से, टूटा है तो जुड़ा है क्यों, मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है क्यों, हक नहीं तू ये कहे कि यार अब हम ना रहे, एक तेरी यारी का ही सातों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं।
Dora was afraid of her mother. She knows that she will scold her if she comes to know the truth. So she made a call to her father and said that to pick her from school because she is ill. Depressed Dora then goes to her home. She is very tensed. She is not talking to anyone. Just all the time she is sitting and crying in her room. Once again, the natives of virtual village comes before her eyes.
What will I do now? To whom should I say? Don't curse me for just a silly mistake. I beg on my knees. I beg you.
More such mistakes I want. I like them. The more you are socially active, the more I am happy.
Now your whole life you will live like a death. That's a present from me to you.
You can't do this. You don't know who I am. I'm not just a depressed girl. You don't know me. I will put you behind the bars.
Me behind the bars? Ha 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 ha. You silly little girl. You even can't catch me.
Ha 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 ha. Your life is over.
Dora cries and her mother rushes in the room.
What happened? Quick, call the doctor.
Doctor, please reach our home fast.
The doctor comes and examines Dora.
I'm sorry, Mr. Vosburg. Your daughter is overexposed to social networking. She's suffering from disorder. It leads to a lot of anxiety and mental stress. It can even cause her death.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा मेरी माँ।
फलक तू, गरज तू, बरस तू, धूप में छाँव की एहसास तू। जीत तू, जान तू, जहान तू, हो गई इतिहास का ताज तू। बंदों में रहेगा माजी के, सबको लेना साथ जोड़ के। आंधी और तूफान से भिड़े, हौसले की कश्ती ना डूबे। हो गई इतिहास का ताज तू, हो गई इतिहास का ताज तू।
My next victim is somewhere in between you.
So we guess you have learned what overexploitation to social media can cause. Thank you.